Hi Margaret, it's Laurette. This is how to borrow an ebook from a library. So you see I went to the library and I went to sign in and signed into a library account and I'm searching for a book. I'm taking out a different book than the one I talked to you about because there are no copies available of that one. But, okay, so this book, it says, the name of the book is Visual Intelligence. It says view 20 results for Visual Intelligence ebook. And yes, we're working with ebooks today. So, I'm going to go further down the page so that I can get to the correct ebook. If I open the first ebook, and request this download, it only has EPUB and Access 360. So I'm going to go further down the page. I'm looking for a Kindle that I can download. So you can read it on your computer, or you can read it as an ebook on the Kindle. See this, so I'm going to choose Kindle and do checkout now. It says, and then I have to go back and to where it says start download. And it's going to take me to Amazon where you can sign up for a free account. Take me to Amazon.com. And there's the book, and it's off to the left side, so you can't see this. Let me see if I can get this in the frame for you. No, I cannot. But off to the left, underneath the picture of the book, it'll say, Get Library Book. And then, what I'm going to do here, it says that the part you can't read says that it will be delivered next time my Kindle is connected. So that's all you need to do. When you want to return the book, if you want to return it early, I will want to tell you again, though, that it will automatically, at no cost, return to the library after 3 weeks. But if you want to return it early, you go to Your Content and Devices. Give me a second, it's got to load. And then you see part of the title right here. If you go to the left and you under select and you choose that book, you put a check mark in the first box, then you can put a check box in the first box, and then you go to the box next to the right of that. Go to the box to the right of it, and you click on Return this book. I'm trying to get it up for you. I'm having a problem with my computer. You go to, see this where it says Return this book. And then you click on that and it returns the ebook back to the library. So what's needed is a computer or a Kindle, a computer or a Kindle, a book you want to borrow, and a free Amazon account. That's all it takes. That will work. I'm sending you this file, and I will give you the name of the book. Here, I'll show you actually. I'll give you the name of the book that you're interested in reading that we talked about. I would have rather used that book as an example, but the two copies of ebooks are checked out. So this is the author's name, and then we're going to go to his page, and if I go down the page, you see this book. Let me show you. You see this book right here. All copies in use. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make a note on my library account that I want to take this book out later. And then on the left side of the page, I can go to my for later section. What I would do, or what you can do, is request this download, and then give me a second because you can't see this, and then place a hold on it. So as soon as it's available, the email will come from the library telling you can take the book out. Let me click on this book. I have done this before. See, it shows you here. You can read. I've never read an Adobe EPUB. I don't know what Overdrive Read is, but I know you can read this on your Kindle. For sure. Make sure you charge your Kindle before you try to get a book from a library book from Amazon. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you about it next time we talk on the phone. Your birthday is coming up soon. If I don't talk to you around your birthday, I wish you a very happy birthday, and we'll talk soon. Cheers, Lorette.